Yo, the lighting is real nice here. Okay, it's a little bit better here. Alright, so we just got some boards in. Shout out to Yecoo and X-Way, dude. That's sick.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ride. We're actually gonna go ride to one of our favorite Thai spots right now just to test it out. I think it's like 2.5, 3 miles away. So it's round trip is like 6-7 miles. And there's some like good terrain. There's a lot of hills and there's a lot of really crappy roads, and then there's some I don't know about smooth. Hey, there's some smooth roads, and then there's some crappy sidewalks too.
Yo. I
gotta cut my hair. Look at that. It's covering my eyes, dude. I want to shave off all my hair, but anyways.
Do it.
Do it.
Fucking send it.
And then so here's the Yecoo with the all-terrain wheels, dude. Look at that. This, I tried it yesterday. It is incredible, but Lucas has not tried it, so he's gonna try it a little later. Yo. And of course, here's my other belt motor board. So these are both belt motors, which is interesting. But yeah, that's the V-Star V2 Pro. Really solid, very nice board.
It's sick.
That's our
actually pretty sick.
Exactly. So those are our choices for today.
I'm excited to try the Yecoo, dude.
Yeah,
it seems really sick.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not gonna feel any bumps on that.
Nope.
Like at all.
Not at all. And you can go all terrain. So there's like some dirt patches. So we'll film there as well, and we'll show you guys how it's like.
For sure.
Alright, riding the Yecoo all-terrain board with the big ass wheels. It's nice. It goes over everything, and there's a car. Whoops. Alright. Okay. Alright, cool. That's cool. I used to go to Taekwondo here. But anyways, it's pretty sick. Oh, there's another car. Alright, we're gonna be doing a speed test. This is the Yecoo versus the V2 Pro. And we're gonna do like a little drag race. We have a little bit of space, probably like 100 meters. Ready? Think you're gonna win, or you think I'm gonna win? This thing has a lot of torque.
I don't know. I think you might fall off that.
You gotta roll it a little bit, because like, sometimes it stops. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm keeping up. Woo! Alright, stand here. It's around the same torque, man.
Yeah.
That's like this thing is strong even with the heavy off-road wheels.
Yours was definitely torqueier than mine. Like
a little bit.
Rip, yours
yeah.
just beat me. Yeah.
You just gotta be careful, because like with the what do you call it? The belt motor, it can rip if you go too hard on it. You just gotta be careful. But like this thing, like over sidewalks, it's nice. I don't feel anything. I don't need to worry about that. You know, it's so fun. It's just so fun. All right, we're going down the big hill. It doesn't really accelerate that much. Oh, that's Lucas right there. It's so smooth. It's so windy. There's a car. Uh-oh. Right, so like accelerating downhill, you have to actually like press on the acceleration to actually go like speed up downhill, because like it just keeps the same speed. And like look on this big bump right here, I can just go over it easily. Or never mind, we're not going over it. There's a car. Alright, so there's some really rough like tile floor pavement thing, and let's see how it handles. I mean, like going over this stuff should be a piece of cake. Should be a cake. So like look at all that. Yup, smooth. Look at Lucas. I don't feel anything. Look, it's just so nice. And like just, oh my god, it's so smooth. Like look at these cracks. I don't feel any of these on the sidewalk. Like look. You know, and it's just like on the regular longboards I can feel every one of these cracks, because they're really big bad cracks. But it's just, and after that big long ride, it's like I think we just took like a 6-mile ride there to the restaurant and back, and I still have full battery. This thing goes like 20. the thing goes like 20 miles range, you know? It's pretty sick. So we're about to go off-road right now. And we're gonna try it out right here. All right, so we're at some off-road place. It's a hiking trail, and we're gonna try it out. Not with that board though.
This board is not.
No. Let's see how it goes. Hell yeah, dude! Yeah, look at this. This is so sick. And like I've ridden my my friend's one wheel on this, and it's just so unstable because it's just one wheel, and you feel like there's no suspension or anything. But with an actual board, you have like more stability on off-road, you know? It's really, this is kind of nice. That was fun. Look, it's still full, guys. It's still full battery.
Yo, this kind of goes. It's nice. It's got good traction too. It just like sticks right to the ground. I love that. It's so sick. You can't feel anything, bro.
All right, so we're gonna go over this big hill right here. Woo! This is so dope. Man, oh, I don't know about this actually. It seems pretty steep. Look at this. Ooh. Ah. Oh yeah, that's kind of fun. Oh. The turning radius isn't too crazy though. This is so fun. And look at all the dirt that it picks up though. That kind of sucks. All the dust. And it's going on my shoes, guys. All right, I'm going up a pretty steep hill right now. I'd say it's around 20% grade, and I'm going pretty fast. I'd say around 10-15, and I'm not like all the way up because I don't want to go too fast uphill. But still, like, it's powerful, man. It's keeping up with the V-Star, and the V-Star is a really solid board, really powerful. So I'm pretty happy. Look at the view; it's beautiful. It's a beauty purr. Look at Lucas. Alright, we're at my favorite Thai restaurant, Bangkok Avenue. One of my favorite of all time. And Lucas is here and he likes this place too, but he's never tried a Thai soup before. So this motherfucker, he called this a clam chowder, guys. You serious?
Clam chowder.
Okay, try a little sip. Let's see what he thinks of the taste. How good is that? It has coconut milk in it, so it makes it creamy.
Good.
It's good, right?
That's real good.
Told you to get it, but this is a mine. And this guy took a mushroom. My mushroom.
I got my noodles coming soon.
And we both ordered noodles. And dude, guys, the freaking the Yecoo. I don't know why all like longboards don't have all-terrain wheels on it. It's so comfortable. It literally feels like you're riding a truck. You know, if you've ridden like a truck or like a bigger SUV,
yeah,
and you go down to like a sedan or something, you feel every single bump. That's what it feels like, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
It feels luxury. It feels awesome. It's
so
powerful. It's smooth. For the most part, I can go over any crack without like worrying about like falling and stuff, you know?
Dead stopping.
Yeah, it's really sick. So if you guys want to check out Yecoo, they have the board of the GT. It's pretty sick.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
It's okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, it looks super warm as far as the temperature of the video goes, but this is pad see ew veggies, the best pad see ew I've ever had in my life, and I've had lots of pad see ews. This guy got the drunken noodle, man. It looks the same, but the sauce that they use is a little different.
Yeah, spicy.
And he got spicy. And of course you gotta put the vinegar and the fish sauce on it. Then my soup, Thai tea. Now I'm saying this boy didn't get a Thai tea today for some reason. Yep. But anyways, I'm about to dig in. No, hurry up and eat.
Hurry up.
I want to see what you think about the noodle.
I've already had this one before.
Oh, you did?
I had the super spicy version.
Oh,
time I got
I
medium.
thought you had pad thai.
That was what I had last time.
Yeah, because this boy always eats pad thai. Because he basic.
time,
Because
bro.
you're basic, you know what I'm saying? How is it? It's good? Is it better than potatoes? No, I'm just kidding.
One of my people.